Hello DIY Glam Mats, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new here, welcome. Now today's video I am going to be showing you how to glam up your coffee table and your end table with this DIY hack. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure you stay tuned. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notification. Let's get started. Here I have all my pieces laid out. We're using that bling wrap, and this is from Totally Dazzle, my glue gun and my glue sticks. That's it, you guys. And we're going to dress this table up. As you can see here, I've started. I missed the beginning clip, but we're going to take these strips and I'm going to actually add them to the lip and the facing on the table. So please follow me along as we take this coffee table and end tables from drab to fab. And if you're still watching and you haven't subscribed to Glam Queen of DIY, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Here on the Glam Queen of DIY, you get glam high-end DIYs, a little bit of home renovation, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you join the Royal Glam family. Also share the channel with your family and friends. Thank you everyone for your faithful, loyal love and support. And here I'm just making sure I get the glue inside of these grooves when I'm layering these single pieces on. Make sure you continue to follow me along. And to you guys, make sure you check my description box for all my discount codes, my affiliate links. It is always some useful information in that description. That completes this coffee table and end table DIY glam revamp. Drop me a comment if you like this DIY. Again, this was a requested DIY. I hope I showed you how to elevate your tables with just using a little bit of bling wrap. And if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see everyone of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.